How's it going, guys? This is Izzy down here at Brandon Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to go over some of the features on this 2023 Fat Boy. We dolled it up with some of our genuine Harley parts and accessories. You're going to see the 14-inch bars straight out of the Harley catalog. We went with the Harley-Davidson LED series. The new 2023 Fat Boys come as standard with cruise control, so no more cramped hands while you're riding down the freeway. 114 Milwaukee 8 motor, producing 118 foot-pounds of torque, so plenty of that low-end grunt that everybody loves. Adjustable rear suspension. You could actually adjust for your preload on the fly. That way, if you're gonna be going solo or riding two up. We gave you some luggage on this one. It's got a one-sided swing arm bag, just enough for the essentials. It's got docking hardware for backrest, luggage rack, get you squared away for two-up riding, as well as that long trip you want to take. You're gonna see that 240 big tire on the rear, as well as a 150 series front tire. Gives it that nice aggressive muscle bike look. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Let us know if there's any other bikes that you want to see videos on. Come on in, take it for a demo. All of our bikes, new and used, are available for a test ride. All you need is pants, boots, helmet, and a motorcycle endorsement, and you can take any one of the bikes in our showroom out for a demo. Come on down. I'll see you guys later.